Hello viewers, today I am going to show my YouTube channel Solution Journals how to fix Roblox upgrade problem solve. Okay, let's start. Follow my all step by all step. First open, tap and hold Roblox app. Click on app information, clear storage and clear cache. Click on permission, all permission allow. Open Play Store and search Roblox and Roblox update check. And Roblox logging. So finally Roblox update problem solved. Thank you.